when it moves from origin to 1, 1. Yes. And the given path is also given. Excellent. So both ds is equal to dx into I cap, dy into j cap. So what is the ds now? Tell me. Dx into I cap plus dy into j cap. So what is this work done? That is integral of f bar dot ds bar. So now this is integral of f is given as what? Tell me now here. Xy into I cap plus y into j cap dot with what? Tell me now. Dx into I cap plus dy into j cap. Now you tell me what will come. This is integral of xy into dx na plus integral of what? Y into dy. Now tell me now limits we can take now. Here x limits. Huh? Y will write y square. Y will write y square. So then x limits are what you tell me now here. 0 to 1. X limits are 0 to 1. Y limits are 0 to 1. Now you see this thing. Here we have the integration with x now. So we should be, all the terms must be x form only. Here we have y is there now. We should replace y in terms of x we have to replace. They already given the relation now. Y is equal to x square is given. So in place of y, we'll place it as x square. And so tell me now what will come here. Now limits are x is from 0 to 1. So this is x is there. So we'll come it as x cube into dx na. Plus y limits are 0 to 1. So this is y into dy. Right. Simplify and get it. Now, so this is work done, which is equal to x power 4 by 4. Limits are 0 to 1 plus y square by 2. Limits are 0 to 1. So tell me how much will come. This is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 na. So will come it as what? Tell me now 4, 3 by 4.